What if everything you thought you knew about human origins was wrong? Forget the textbooks for a moment and listen closely to the whispers of time, echoes from a forgotten past that challenge everything we've been taught about where we come from. For centuries, the story of humanity has been written in a straight line, a neat progression from primitive caves to modern cities. But what if that line isn't straight at all? What if it loops back into mysteries we've ignored, erased, or simply failed to understand? Let's begin with what we think we know. Science tells us the out of Africa theory explains our beginnings, that modern humans emerged there and spread across the globe. It's a powerful story, and it holds a great deal of truth. Yet, beneath that truth lie unanswered questions, missing links in the fossil record, impossible artifacts, and timelines that just don't quite fit. All around the world, in caves to deserts, and even under the oceans, archaeologists are unearthing objects that simply shouldn't exist. We're talking ancient tools made with a precision that seems impossible, and megalithic structures that defy our understanding of ancient engineering. How could early humans have created such things, unless they were taught, or perhaps they remembered knowledge from a civilization far older? Then, there's the Great Reset of history, the Younger Dryas event, around 12,800 years ago. Something massive happened. Geologists and archaeologists are now finding evidence of a cataclysmic event that caused global temperatures to plummet, and what felt like an instant, climates shifted, entire species vanished, and human populations were nearly wiped from the record. But could that cataclysm have erased a sophisticated, advanced culture that existed long before ancient Egypt, Sumer, or even history itself? Think about the ancient myths. They speak of a lost world, a shining land swallowed by the sea. Plato called it Atlantis, describing it not as a myth, but as truth disguised as allegory. Across cultures, from Mesopotamia to Mesoamerica, the same story repeats: a great flood, a forgotten golden age, and survivors who carried knowledge to rebuild the world from scratch. Could these all be fragments of a single, collective memory, a shared trauma of a world that had to be reborn? And what about the skies? Ancient carvings, religious texts, and legends from every corner of the globe describe beings who descended from above, not necessarily as gods, but as teachers. Some researchers see this as compelling evidence of early encounters with non-human intelligences. Others call it metaphor, myth, or just wild imagination. But the question remains, why did so many ancient civilizations separated by vast oceans tell the exact same story? Maybe the truth isn't found in one single theory, but in the spaces between them. Perhaps we are children of the stars, survivors of forgotten ages, carrying the echoes of something ancient and profound within our very DNA. Today, technology is rewriting our past faster than we can keep up. Advances in DNA sequencing, ground-penetrating radar, and satellite archaeology are revealing lost cities buried beneath jungles and deserts. Every new discovery adds another piece to this grand puzzle and challenges the neat, simple story we thought was complete. So, as we look to the past, one question remains: who were we before we were us? The whispers of the past are getting louder, and it's up to us to listen. If this journey into our forgotten history sparked your curiosity, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching.